All right, guys, so here we go with another nice piston and cylinder kit from Tman. This is a big bore kit, 135 big bore kit. This is going on Larry's CVO 121. I just wanted to give you a small, short overview of the piston design and the cylinder design. You guys know that I'm a big fan of Tman's pistons and cams. So here is a really, really nice piston design. Look at this thing. So because of the whole stroke and design and everything, if you notice that the wrist pin is past the scraper land there, so you are going to have to use a support rail for your scraper and your lower rings there. But if we look at the, trying to do this all with one hand, if we look at the rings, the ring pack is amazing. Look at that scraper, those rings, the thickness of the rings are nice. So that's an excellent way to hold ring seal on an excellent cylinder as well. You guys have heard me talk about Tman cylinders, that how they machine everything. They put a nice duct iron a sleeve in here. I was looking at trying to find this part here where it's nice. It's a little square area there. It keeps the sleeve from spinning and make sure that everything down here stays aligned where it's supposed to go. So really nice machining all the way around. It's already cut for Gen 2s. Of course, this is a Gen 2, but if you want to run this on Gen 1, Gen 2 conversion, it's already cut. Really, really nice. So anyway, guys, have any further questions on this, feel free to call Tman over there. They're extremely knowledgeable and they got a really nice cam system as well. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow and keep up with this build. It's coming soon.